Hello everybody, today is Tuesday, May 7th. Our 1973 Trans Am Vintage Racer is officially done. If you've been watching the videos leading up to this one, as the car's been under construction, you know all the work that's gone into this thing, how far we've come. Very, very proud of this car. We're going to do a total go over the car here so you can see everything that's been done to it. First we'll get a look at the outside. Again, just a gorgeous car. This is our interior, full aluminum dash, full set of gauges. This is a push button start car, of course. You've got your fire extinguisher. I have also got a vintage matching helmet to go with the car, which I thought was pretty cool. I painted it to match the car. We've got the window nets, of course. You can put those up or down, however you like to. If you really want to get the feeling of driving a race car, you can drive down the road with the helmet on and the nets down. Give you a quick look inside the trunk here, so you can see the fuel cell. That's where the fuel cell is located, in the battery. And everything on the car is held with pins, so you don't have to worry about door locks. It does run off the ignition, the original ignition key, so you do have to have a key to start it. That way if you're at a car show, nobody can take off with your car. The most important part here. Again, this is a Pontiac 400 cubic inch engine. This one features the number 13 Pontiac heads, so these are Ram Air 3 heads. It has a 068 Ram Air 3 cam shaft in it, Pontiac cam shaft. Has a Jegs Racing race prepped turbo 350 transmission with the B&M ratchet shifter in there. The car does have four-wheel disc brakes all the way around, slotted and drilled rotors. Again, the hole underneath of the car is just as nice as the top side is. It's museum quality car. Give you a little start up so you can hear this. I hope you have earphones on so you can really get the full effect of what this thing sounds like. But it's got a great sound to it. that goes. You got your lights, your wipers. These are your backup lights. But yeah, everything works on it. It's all street legal. It's actually pretty comfortable riding down the road. Not exactly a super comfortable car, but oops. There we go. Super comfortable car. It rides a little bit rough, but it's not too bad. So I'd like to thank everybody for watching this car as it came to life. This car will be going up for auction. So if you're interested in buying it, just contact me either through eBay or here through YouTube. I can give you my information. Get in touch with me and see what we can do to get this car in your driveway. And it's never been shown before. It's never even been to a show yet, so you'll be the first one to reap the rewards of getting to show it off a little bit. If you want to show it, or if you want to race it, or just have a toy just to cruise into your cruise night or your high school reunion this year, that would be something. But thanks for watching. If you like my videos, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you always know when I put videos up. It's nice to see this one finished. Once again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.